Okay, let's do some more rhythm examples. So in the last video we did things like this. And that goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do, what about one that gets 3 notes? So for that we need to use, 3 beats. We need to use the dot. And the dot equals half of whatever comes before it. So if I have a half note before it, well, we know that this gets 2 beats. So that means that this is you're gonna add another 1 beat to that. So 2 here, 1 here. So altogether that's 3 beats, right? So if that gets 3 beats, then let's do this measure of 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's go to another measure. Let's do it again. And then let's do this. So you see how over here we have 1 beat, and then we have a dotted half note, and that gets 3 beats. So that's going to fill up 4 beats. I've been doing 4 beats for every measure. Okay, let's start at the top right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to do it without counting. Okay? Okay. And let's do some more examples. I'll have other videos that go into why they're named, what they are, and all that. But let's just do some more examples, and you can learn a lot just by seeing all these examples. Let's try. Okay, so here we had, here we had, if you'll remember, we just had 4 straight beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do these. These are, see this bar attaching these two together. This is actually an 8th note. One goes this way. See, it has a little flag on it. So it's not one of these. It's got this little flag on it. And then the other one's the same. It's also another little 8th note, except the flag goes that way. So that's why it looks like that. Like that. Anyhow, so these are, one of these is half of this. So you need 2 of them to fill up the space that one of these does. If that's confusing, maybe it'll be less confusing when I demonstrate. Okay, once again, before I demonstrate, I'll demonstrate the quarter notes down here. They go 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas the 8th notes go, I'll just put the numbers here. The 8th notes go 1, 2, 3, 4. See how they're different? So I'm doing 2 claps per number. Okay, let's mix these up. So we're going to do, let's try 1 and 2 and, although I don't say the and when I demonstrate. I'll just say the numbers. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I'm doing 4 beats of notes, and the first beat is comprised by these 2 8th notes. The second beat is these 2, and then the third is this quarter note, and the fourth is that quarter note. And when you do the 8th notes, don't be like 1, 2, 3, 4, but they have to perfectly cut the halfway point of the number, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's try it a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then without counting. Okay, let's do a few more of these. Let's try that one. Remember, this is a half note that gets 2 beats, but the dot is going to be, this equals half of whatever comes before it. So in this case, it equals half of 2. So 1. So 3 beats and then 2 eighth notes, which equal 1 beat. So we've got 4 beats here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without the counting. I think I was right there. Okay, let's do a few measures together. Okay, let's do just this second measure here. So this is the first beat, second beat, third beat, fourth beat. Okay, get starting there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we'll do 3 measures of beats. Okay. Let's start with the third measure here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's some more examples.